This is exactly how to play Minecraft on your PlayStation 5 with keyboard and mouse. So to be able to do so, we need to firstly make sure that we actually get the keyboard and mouse right here. So let's start with the mouse itself. So quite often it's gonna have this cable here. If it doesn't, if it just has like a USB, don't worry, you can still connect it, of course. So now what I'm going to do is just take the mouse here, and then this USB cable, I'm just gonna connect it on the back. You can see two USB outlets here, just connect to one of them. So I'm just going to connect to this one firstly here. So the first one is connected right here perfectly. Now we're going to grab our keyboard, and you can see also, by the way, that the mouse is connected. It should show up here. And then we're going to take the USB for our keyboard here and connect it to the other outlet here. Yep, perfect. Now this one is connected. So you can see now both the mouse and the keyboard is connected perfectly. Now what I'm going to do is to just go into settings on my PlayStation 5. So just go into settings and then scroll down in here until you get to accessories. Click on accessories and then click on other accessories. And then in here you can see keyboard. Here you can set up your keyboard type here, as you can see, and also mouse if you're right-handed or left-handed as an example. But yeah, basically that is exactly how you can now start playing Minecraft with your keyboard and mouse. Just open up the game now and start playing.